How to stop Proton VPN from running in the background. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Proton VPN from running in the background. So to stop Proton VPN from running in the background, disconnect the VPN first and then fully exit the app via System Tree or Task Manager. So go ahead and disconnect the current connection that you have on Proton VPN. So you can find this disconnect button from here. Click on that and then go ahead and exit the app entirely and properly. So click on close from here and then hover your mouse at the bottom right of your screen and then click on the system tray and then right click on Proton VPN if you can still find it into this section. So right click on Proton VPN and click on exit to entirely exit it, and then go ahead and check Task Manager. So click on Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, and then on the Task Manager, go ahead and look for Proton VPN. So if there are still any of this running, right click on it and choose End Task. And that is how you can basically stop Proton VPN from running in the background. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.